If you've ever tried sending a big video or project file through Gmail, you've probably run into that frustrating message. Attachment exceeds 25 megabytes. Don't worry, you're not stuck. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send files larger than 25 megabytes in Gmail, and I'll walk you through two simple, reliable methods you can start using right away. Let's begin with the easiest and most efficient option, Google Drive. Open Gmail and click on the Compose button to create a new email. Down at the bottom of your message window, you'll notice the Google Drive icon sitting right next to the paperclip. Click on it, and you'll have the choice to either upload a new file from your computer or select one that's already in your drive. If your large video or document isn't in Google Drive yet, just upload it. This may take a moment, depending on your file size. Once uploaded, select Insert as Drive Link instead of an attachment. This way, your recipient gets a clickable link to your file, bypassing Gmail's size limits entirely. It's perfect for huge videos, presentations, or even multiple large files in one email. But what if Google Drive isn't the best fit for your situation? That's where the second method comes in, sharing through YouTube. If you're working specifically with a large video file, simply upload it to YouTube. During the upload process, set the privacy to unlisted. This ensures that only people with your link can view the video. It won't show up on your channel or in search results. Once the upload finishes, copy the shareable link and paste it right into your Gmail message. Hit send and your recipient will have instant access to watch the video without any file size restrictions. Both of these methods are secure, fast, and way more convenient than struggling with Gmail's 25 megabyte cap. Whether you're sending an important project file, a high-resolution video, or just multiple large attachments at once, these tricks will make the process smooth and hassle-free. So the next time Gmail tries to limit you, you'll know exactly how to get around it. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Happy emailing!